In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of everything you're working on. Now look to the left navigation and click My Plans. This brings up the list of plans you've created. From there, click the plan you've prepared for this task. In my case, the plan is called Label Cleanup Demo. Take a moment to confirm that the board shows your task card, which here is called Approve Launch Copy, and that it currently has a label attached. Mine is called Needs Review. Now we'll remove the label from the task. Click the task card on the board to open it. This will bring up the task details panel on the right side of your screen. In that panel, hover your cursor over the label chip, which in my example is the Needs Review label. When you hover, a Remove option will appear. Go ahead and click Remove next to that label chip. Confirm that the label chip disappears from the Task Details panel. Next, we'll clear the unused label name from the plan itself. Inside the Task Details panel, click Add Label. This opens up the full list of labels. Look through that list and find the label name you just removed, which here is Needs Review. Once you've found it, click the pencil icon next to that label name so you can edit it. Now, select the existing label name text inside the field. Press backspace or delete repeatedly until the label name field is completely empty. With the field cleared, press Enter to save the empty label name. Then click outside the label list to close it. After that, close the Task Details panel. At this point, the task no longer shows the Needs Review label, and the old custom label name has been cleared from the label list. Keep in mind that Planner still keeps the underlying color slot available because Planner labels are fixed color categories. However, that custom label is no longer applied to the task, and it's no longer shown as the named category. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the label in Microsoft Planner. Congratulations on getting it done.